Hi, this is Charlie from funeraltemplates.com. I'm going to show you how to edit a large funeral welcome sign. Once you've purchased the sign and downloaded it, it will open in Microsoft PowerPoint, and this is what it will look like. It's nice and big, it's 24 by 36 inches. This is why we use PowerPoint to make it nice and big. Now to change the picture, we simply click it, right click, select change picture, and select the picture we'd like to change it to and press insert. Now to change the name, we click here, we delete the name, we add another one, and the same with the date. You can just click it, change the date to what you would like it to be. Now the title is inserted as a picture, just here, and there are two options, in loving memory, and then on this page there's celebrating the life of. Now if you don't want either of those titles, you can select it, delete it, and insert a text box. So we go to insert text box, draw a text box on the page, go back to home, select a font and the size, and then we type the title we would like in here. And we can make sure that's all lined up with the dotted line and move this picture up a little bit, and there we have it, the sign's finished. Now once we've finished this page and we've got the sign ready, we can actually delete the extra one. So we click it, right click, press delete slide, so that we have just one picture. Now in the corner of the sign are these marks. These are for the print shop. They're special marks that show them how to print and trim the image. If the print shop asks if the sign has bleed, you can say yes, it has bleed. Now we're going to save the sign ready for print. Now we want to send a PDF to the print shop, so I'm going to go File, Save As, select PDF and press Export. And it's ready. So now we just simply send the PDF to the print shop or take it in with us. To purchase this sign, you can either click on the link in the description below the video or go to funeraltemplates.com.